If you're already doing well in your career, but something still feels off, then this is for you. You're not broke, you're not behind. You're probably making good money, somewhere between 80 and 200K a year. People respect what you do. You built the real skills, the real experience, and on paper, you've already won. But here's the part that nobody talks about. Every dollar that you make costs you another hour. Your calendar is full, but your income is capped by your time. And you can't take a week off without everything slowing down or falling apart. You're successful, but you're tired. You're comfortable, but you're restless. And it feels like you've built a great career and quietly turned it into a cage. And deep down, you know that this can't be the end of the story because you're not lazy, you're not ungrateful, you just want leverage. And right now, the real problem isn't money, is that your time is fully spoken for. And you can't scale your income without giving up more hours. And there are no more hours left. And that's not freedom, that's a high-paying job that owns you. And on top of that, there's a fear that you probably don't want to say out loud. You see AI changing everything. You see younger people moving faster. You see companies replacing teams with software. And you wonder how long your skills will still matter. Not because you're bad at what you do, but because the world is changing faster than your career model can keep up with. And here's the truth that most people miss. You don't need to learn how to code. You don't need to learn how to build AI. You don't need to be technical. You already have what matters: business experience, problem solving, client skills, real world management. AI is not something that you need to master. It's something that you need to connect to real business problems. That's it. Businesses are desperate right now, and they know that they need AI, but they don't know where to start. They don't have time to test the tools. They don't want to hire a full team. They want somebody who already understands business and can plug the right AI systems in to the right problems. And that person can be you. You're not starting over, you're upgrading, and everything that you've learned over the last 10, 15, even 20 years can still apply. AI just gives your experience leverage. It turns what you already know into something that scales without you having to be on every call, every project, and every task. This isn't about getting rich fast. This is about getting your time back. Mornings without stress, trips without checking your laptop, a business that works even when you step away. That's what success is supposed to buy. Consultant Accelerator exits for one reason: to give people like you a clear, proven path to turn your experience into leverage using AI. Not theory, not hype, a simple step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to become the AI consultant business already needs. No guessing, no overwhelming, no tech background required, just a clear roadmap. Because at this stage of your life, price isn't the real question. The real question is, how much longer are you willing to trade your time for money while the world around you changes? So, if you're ready to own your own time, protect your future, and finally build something that works without you being trapped inside of it, you're in the right place. All right, let's get to work. So now let me explain exactly how this works, because this is where most people get confused. When people hear AI consultant, they think that they need to be technical. They think that they need to build software or write code or understand how AI works under the hood. That's not the job. The job is much, much simpler. Businesses already have problems. They already lose time. They already waste money. They already know things are broken in their business. What they don't know is how to fix those problems with AI without risking their business. And that's where you come in. Your role is not to invent AI. Your role is to understand the business's problem and connect the right AI tools to it. Things like automation, customer follow-up, lead handling, internal workflows, reporting, and systems, things like that. Tools that already exist. Companies just don't know how to use them correctly, and that's where you come in. You see, you become the person who connects the dots. And this is why companies will gladly pay 5, 10, even 20K per month for these implementations of systems. Not because AI is magic, but because it saves them time, money, and more importantly, stress. And it's cheaper than hiring a team. It's faster than figuring it out themselves and safer than doing nothing. And here's the key part. You don't need hundreds of clients. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need to work nonstop. You just need a few businesses who trust you. And that's how the leverage is built. Now, let's talk about why most smart people still don't move forward. And the first reason is because you feel the fear of being too late. They think that the AI wave has already passed. But that's not true. Most businesses are still behind. They know that AI matters, but they just haven't done anything about it yet. And the window is open right now. The second thing thing is they feel overwhelmed. They think that there's too many tools, too many opinions, too much noise, and everyone is saying something different. And that's why guessing feels risky. The third reason is time. You see, you're already busy. You don't want another thing to manage. You want something that simplifies your life, not adds chaos. And that's why the Consultant Accelerator exists, because this is not a course for you to watch and forget. It's not about theory. It's not about motivation. It's about a clear system. And here's what we show you how to do step by step. We show you how to position yourself as an AI consultant. We show you how to identify real business problems worth solving. We show you how to connect proven AI tools to those problems, how to package your offer clearly, how to get clients without cold pitching, and build leverage without burnout. You see, if you follow the roadmap, we'll remove the guesswork. And the goal is simple. In the next 90 days, you are no longer trading your hours for dollars. You are no longer stuck in one-to-one work, and you have a model that scales without you having to be everywhere all the time. And this is not about quitting your career overnight. This is about building control over your time, control over your income, control over your future. You see, you're not starting from zero. You're stacking leverage on top of what you already know. And let me be clear about one thing. If you stay where you are, nothing bad might not happen right away. You'll probably keep making good money. You'll probably stay busy. But 5 years from now, the cost shows up. Burnout, stagnation, and skills that don't scale, but more importantly, fewer options. And that's the real risk. You see, the people who win are not the smartest. It's the ones who adapt early, calmly, before they're forced to. And I want to make it clear. Now, if you want a clear path to move forward, this is it. No hype, no guessing, no wasted years. Just leverage and clarity, more importantly, freedom, built on top of your already existing experience. And that's what the Consultant Accelerator is here to do. So, if this feels like it's describing you, then you already know the answer. Now, let's build something together that finally works for you and not the other way around. If you want my help, go ahead, click the link in the description, watch a very short video, and then schedule and book a call. All right, I'll see you at the top.